I run fast. I run fast. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. I ride a bike. I ride a bike. I walk to school. I walk to school. I run in the park. I run in the park. I jump high. I jump high. I walk slowly. I walk slowly. I climb the stairs. I climb the stairs. I go to work. I go to work. I move my hands. I move my hands. I move my legs. I move my legs. I dance to music. I dance to music. I swim in the pool. I swim in the pool. I turn left. I turn left. I turn right. I turn right. I walk forward. I walk forward. I sit down. I sit down. I stand up. I stand up. I pick up the bag. I pick up the bag. I put down the box. I put down the box. I throw the ball. I throw the ball. I push the door. I push the door. I pull the chair. I pull the chair. I lift the box. I lift the box.
Hello, welcome to my channel, English for Beginners. If you enjoy learning English in a simple and fun way, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell button so you don't miss more videos like this. We hope this lesson was helpful. See you next time.